River City clocks, one day Cuckoo clock, Cottage, Fisherman raises fishing pole. This Black Forest Cuckoo clock case features a fisherman fishing by a small pond with hand-carved trees, and a dog surrounding the fisherman. The single roof and attention to detail make this clock a magnificent addition to any home or lodge. On every hour, the fisherman raises his pole with a fish on the line as the Cuckoo clock cuckoos. The half hour is announced with one Cuckoo call. There is also a manual night shut-off switch that allows you to mute the Cuckoo sound and stop the fisherman from fishing. Two cast iron pine cone weights are suspended beneath the clock case by two separate brass chains. The handmade pendulum continuously swings back and forth, controlling the timing of the clock. The 30-hour-old brass mechanical regular movement is worn once per day by raising the two pine cone weights. One weight powers the time and the other weight powers the Cuckoo call, and the fisherman. Great effort has been made to portray each Cuckoo clock as accurately as possible. As with many handmade items, the exact coloration and carving may vary slightly from clock to clock. Consider this to be a special part of their character.